when you unpack both left and right hand headers, there will be two boxes, one box in the left hand and one box in the right hand packages. In the left hand box will be the sucker and the Allen key, and two power packs, one for both left and right hand units. That will be in the box for the left hand side. The box that will be in the right hand side packaging will have in it also a Allen key and a sucker, and also the 4-gang extension lead.
Pull this wire through and cut using the black insulation tape supplied on the back of the new lens. Cover the cable end. Remove the 4 fixings that hold the existing header in place and put them to one side. You'll need to use those again. You may need some assistance to support the header while you remove the bolts to stop it falling over and damaging anything else. You can place those in alignment with the holes so you know where to put them back when you put the new header in position. Also, remove the locking pin before you start from internally of the old header and put to one side. Then remove the existing header, push the cable through, put this to one side, push this cable, check that that's secure over the existing cable and push it through into the unit so it doesn't interfere with anything. Then take the new replacement header, align it with the holes for the fixings that you've just previously removed, and refit the fixings. Check the fixings are tight. Take the new lens. Before you place the lens into position, put the locking nut back into position that you removed earlier. Place the lens in the bottom of the frame and then push up until the magnets grip it. Then take the power supply. You won't need this component. You'll just need to connect the plug into one of your available sockets. You can check that the power supply is powered up because the light should come on. Then on the rear of the header, put the plug into the socket to illuminate the new header. Keep the sucker for any additional updates that may come. That's the end of the installation.